Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animation Editor Pro series. In this quick guide, we're going to tackle a common animation problem, turning a clunky animation into a perfect, seamless loop. Whether you're working with a massive, multi-track project or a single strip, the Create Seamless Animation Cycles feature in Animation Editor Pro will make it incredibly simple. Let's take a look at our scene. We have a happy guy on a bench, but his animation is anything but smooth. See that jarring snap when it loops? That's what we're here to fix. Trying to correct this by hand, especially with multiple tracks and strips, can be a real headache. This is where the power of Animation Editor Pro becomes evident. It offers a streamlined solution to this common problem. With a single click on the Make Cyclic Animation operator, the add-on automatically adds a new strip at the end of your animation. The purpose of this strip is to create a smooth blend from the end of the animation back to the beginning. The duration of this blend is fully adjustable by the user. And there you have it, a perfectly smooth, seamless loop, accomplished with a single mouse click. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this inspires you to dive in and see what Animation Editor Pro can do for your own projects. Be sure to explore the other videos in this series for more great tips. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section.